And you've got the max altitude setting here, so 120 meters. So this will be usually what you have in most countries, especially Europe and the UK. This will be the maximum height that you're allowed to fly. And the reason for that simply is that it gives you clearance and separation from manned aircraft, which would be probably flying at like 200 meters or 300 meters or something. So you don't want to get in their way. So I always fly as low as I can, not too low, usually about 50, 60 meters, especially for mapping missions, etc. And then you've got your distance limit. So you can decide here if you want to set your distance limit to 1,000 meters or 20 meters or 2,000 meters. But what that is it's the flight distance limit from your home point. So again, if you're flying on a route mission and you're surveying a river or a road or something, and the drone is flying 1 kilometer or 2 kilometers and you're following it, then you might say to yourself, you know what, I'm going to set it to 2 kilometers, or when it gets to 500 meters away from the home point, I'm then going to change the home point to be my location, because that's where I am following the drone. Otherwise, it will get to that sort of 1,000 meters and it will be like, not going to go any further. Also, what will happen, if you have it too low, when you try and start your mapping mission won't start. Because it will say that the maximum flight distance is basically exceeded. So if your mapping mission is 500 meters away at one of the endpoints or the waypoints, then it won't fly the mission. So you'll have to adjust that, not necessarily in this menu, but in the sort of pre-flight checklist menu.